Most beginners lose money in trading, not because trading is hard, but because they skip the basics. Now, if you're starting out, these 5 things will save you time, money, and a lot of frustration. Now, before you even think about making profit, you need to understand what actually keeps traders in the game. Now, let's go through these 5 things that every beginner must learn before placing real trades. Now, first, and this is the most important, and that is risk management. So now people think they blow their accounts because of these bad strategies. But the truth is that they blow these accounts because they risk too much on one trade. Now, a good rule is to never risk more than 1 or 2% of your account per trade. Always use a stop loss and make sure your potential reward is bigger than your risk. Because in trading, it's not about winning every trade, it's about surviving long enough to grow. Now, the second is understanding what you're actually trading, because there's a big difference between stocks, forex, and crypto, and they all move for different reasons. Now, stocks are shares of ownership in a company. So when you buy a stock, you're essentially owning a small piece of that business. Like, for example, Apple or Tesla, and so on. So if the company performs well, the stock price can go up and make you money. Now, if it performs poorly, the price can drop. And stocks are usually influenced by company performance, news, and overall economic conditions. And now, cryptocurrency is a digital form of money that isn't controlled by a central authority like a bank or government. So, popular examples include Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, crypto markets are known for being very volatile, meaning prices can move up and down very quickly, but they're often driven by hype, technology developments, and market sentiment. And now finally, we have forex, short for foreign exchange. And this is the market where you trade currencies against one another, like the euro against the US dollar, which is euro USD. Instead of buying an asset, you're trading one currency for another, so trying to profit from changes in their value. So the forex market is the largest in the world and is heavily influenced by interest rates, economic news, and global events. Now, if you don't understand what moves the market, you're basically just guessing, and guessing doesn't last long in trading. And now thirdly, learn basic technical analysis, but keep it simple. As I said before, you don't need 10 indicators on your chart, so focus on things like support and resistance, and understanding trends, prices moving up or down or sideways. So the truth is, price itself actually does tell you a story. You just need to learn how to read it. And now you can check out this video that I have on the screen right now, and the link will be in the description below. This is where I talk about technical analysis and order flow and which of these actually works. So there's a lot of vital information in there, so make sure you check that out. And then we have something very, very important, and this is trading psychology. And this is actually where most people fail. Now, fear, greed, and impatience will destroy your account faster than any bad strategy. Chasing trends, revenge trading after a loss, overtrading, it all comes down to emotions. So your biggest enemy in trading isn't the market, it's how you react to it. Now make sure you check out this video as well, which obviously the link will be in the description below, but it's an in-depth video of trading psychology. And now finally, you need a trading plan. So if you're entering trades randomly, that is not trading. That is what we call gambling. Now, a trading plan should tell you when to enter, when to exit, how much to risk, and when to stay out of the market. And now, if you can't explain why you took a trade, you shouldn't be in it. And now, mastering these 5 things before you focus on making money will put you ahead of most beginners. Because in trading, consistency beats everything. So make sure you guys check out those links, those videos in the description below. There is also a link to Evedex, which is the decentralized exchange you can use for all of your trading. There's very interesting things on there right now. We have added gold, silver, oil, and we've got many other things like Tesla and many more interesting things to trade. Now, as always, make sure to subscribe and drop a like. That'll be greatly appreciated. Now, thank you for watching. and I'll see you in the next one.